Wisdom alone is the science of other sciences. There is no harm in repeating a good thing. Any man may easily do harm, but not every man can do good to another. He who is not a good servant will not be a good master. A man neglects education, he walks lame to the end of his life. Love is the joy of the good, the wonder of the wise, the amazement of the gods. Ignorance, the root and stem of all evil. For a man to conquer himself is the first and noblest of all victories. Wise men speak because they have something to say, fools because they have to say something. Science is nothing but perception. Only the dead have seen the end of the war. Thinking the talking of the soul with itself. All men are by nature equal, made all of the same earth by one workman. Opinions is the medium between knowledge and ignorance. No law or ordinance is mightier than understanding. You can discover more about a person in an hour of play than in a year of conversation. We do not learn, and what we call learning is only a process of recollection. Good people do not need laws to tell them to act responsibly, while bad people will find a way around the law. The measure of a man is what he does with power. Justice means minding one's own business and not meddling with other men's concern. Truth is the beginning of every good to the gods, and of every good to man. The first and greatest victory is to conquer yourself. To be conquered by yourself is of all things most shameful and vile. Knowledge is true opinion. Courage is knowing what not to fear. Honesty is for the most part less profitable than dishonesty. Good actions give strength to ourselves and inspire good actions in others. Knowledge without justice ought to be called cunning rather than wisdom. Human behavior flows from three main sources: desire, emotion, and knowledge. The greatest wealth is to live content with little. No man should bring children into the world who is unwilling to persevere to the end in their nature and education. Attention to health is life's greatest hindrance. There are two things a person should never be angry at: what they can help, and what they cannot. Better a little which is well done, than a great deal imperfectly. The direction in which education starts a man will determine his future in life. There are three classes of men: lovers of wisdom, lovers of honor, and lovers of gain. We can easily forgive a child who is afraid of the dark. The real tragedy of life is when men are afraid of the light. Life must be lived as play. We are twice armed if we fight with faith. One of the penalties for refusing to participate in politics is that you end up being governed by inferiors. A good decision is based on knowledge and not on numbers. Thanks for watching.